Hey guys, so today I'm going to film my November empties, and I keep everything in these bags. Yeah, 'cause I don't ever have a ton of empties, so hopefully next year that improves with my project panning. But for now I keep everything in these small little bags. So I'm just going to quickly go through everything that I used up in November, and yeah. So the first item is this April Bath and Shower Cherry Blossom Scent Body Lotion, and this came from the dollar store. So this was obviously only $1. I liked it. It was actually fairly moisturizing for being so cheap and from the dollar store, and the scent was pretty nice. So the next item is my Covergirl Outlast Stay Luminous Natural Glow Foundation, and I wear the shade Classic Ivory. This is one of my holy grail foundations. I love this foundation, and I've already purchased a backup of it. So yeah, love it. Will repurchase until I no longer love it. So the next item is this Temptu times Boxycharm Liquid Glow highlighter. I don't like liquid highlighters at all. They're just not really my thing, so it was okay, just would not repurchase it. This is another liquid highlighter. This is the Cle Essence Moonlighter Cushion. Again, would not repurchase. This is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I did not like this. It made my hair feel weird. I don't know how to explain it. It just made it feel weird. So usually I can wash my hair and then go a week and before I have to wash it again. I could only go 2 days and my hair would feel disgusting. So definitely would not repurchase that. The next thing is this Biore For Your Pores baking soda pore cleanser. This was okay. I didn't notice it do anything special for my skin, so I would use another sample of it, but I wouldn't go out of my way to repurchase it or anything. So the next thing is this Gucci Guilty Intense sample of this sample perfume. This is too, I don't know, this scent just is too musky, or I don't know, it's not my scent, so I probably would not repurchase that. The next thing is this Illamasqua Precision Ink Eyeliner. I was not a fan, so I would not repurchase this either. The next thing is this Hey Honey Silk Facial Serum All Day Nourishing Skin Serum, and this I would repurchase. I love Hey Honey products, so any Hey Honey product, pretty much, or any Hey Honey product that I've tried, I would repurchase. So this one is also on that list. And then the last thing is this sample of the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. This is okay. This was just like any other eyeliner. It wasn't anything special. I would use another sample of it, but I don't think I would repurchase it because it is more expensive than something I could get at the drugstore, so I don't think I would repurchase it anytime soon. That is everything that I used up in November. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I have a good amount of products that I use up in December, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.